Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your Epic Games account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Epic Games launcher on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your social media accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to add friends to your account, then click on the Friends option at the top right corner alongside the Settings button. This will now open up the Friends tab where you will see all of your friends that are currently added to your account. You can click on the plus icon at the right side from which you will be able to add friends. Click on the search box and type in the username of the person that you wish to add. And once you find it, tap on this player and you will see the Add Epic Friend option. Go ahead and click on this and this will send your request to this user right away. Now, once this person accepts your friend request from their notification bar, then this person will start to appear on your friend list, and this means that you have now become friends on Epic Games. You can add as many friends as you want, and you can also invite your friends that are on your social account by clicking on Connect Your Social Account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends onto your account on Epic Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.